This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. Open floor plan, beautiful landscaping, thoughtfully designed outdoor living. This beautifully maintained home in established Kings Grant offers the perfect blend of traditional charm and contemporary style. Inside, the open layout creates an easy flow for everyday living and entertaining, filled with great natural light and inviting spaces throughout. Outside, the backyard is designed for both relaxation and gathering, featuring a turf entertaining area along with a separate fenced grass space for four-legged friends. The mature landscaping adds privacy and character, creating a peaceful setting to enjoy year-round. Conveniently located near the interstate for easy commuting while still offering the feel of a well-established neighborhood close to shopping, dining, and parks. May 11, 2026 for